Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Abdurrahman. I from group SG7. Today my group want to present about pet environment technology with automated living that we call a petal. So firstly, I want to introduce my group members. For the first person is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Fauzi. Second, Muhammad Firdaus bin Ramli. Third, Muhammad Hafiz bin Abdullah. Fourth, Muhammad Hafiz bin Zamri, and lastly, me, Muhammad Azuddin bin Abdurrahman. Okay, next we go to the introduction. A petal is a home for animals equipped with technological components that keep an eye on both the surrounding and the activities of the animal living. They will raise their level of independence, enhance their general quality of life, and avert emergencies. The petal that is being considered will be equipped with all required feeders. Intelligently, performance tasks include feeding, watering, cleaning, and monitoring.
So I want to present the NABC analysis. So the first thing is need. So we do to ensure the pet gets the food at the time without delay. Approach, make a smart pet house that can be controlled over the internet, IoT, and has an automatic feeder and a pet recognizer. So the benefit, the pet owner does not feed their pet every time the animal needs to eat, because the animal eat the right amount of food and does not become more hungry. So the competitor, automatic pet feeder alternative to make sure the pet get the food adequately and notify the user when the food nearly empty. Differences, normal pet feeder simply refill the food when it runs out, but the smart pet house can alert the owner via smartphone, have an automatic pet waste cleaner, and can recognize the pet using the phone. So last one, bill of material. So this is our bill of material. We have the ESP32 pet cage, 12 volt motor, NE555 timer, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, PCB board, set of jumper wire, solenoid lock, and water kit. So the total cost is 190.60 cents. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
I would like to present about methodology. Have 5 things: engineering design, workflow, block diagram, sketch model, and next product design. This is our workflow. As you can see here, on the left is our workflow, and on the right is our flow chart. Next is our block diagram. From start, our input is ESP, servo motor, timer, and also temperature to microprocessor and IoT cloud. Next is our sketch model. On the left is our cage front view, and on the right is automated feeding. The next is our product design.
So the first is I want to present the phase 1. We do plan a project, then determine the title at the week 1, then brainstorming process at the week 1, and at the week 6 we submit a proposal and evaluate the proposal. At the phase 2, engineering design, we identify the component at week 2 and buy a component. Then hardware and software development at week 3, product costing at week 4, programming and assembling the component at week 6. At the phase 3, testing and analysis, the product testing, product technical analysis, technical report writing, and then phase 4, presentation and technical report submission. Next, I want to show the milestone. At the week 2, project start, brainstorming process and project title determined. At the week 5, submit a proposal and do online peer review 1. And then at the week 6, evaluate the proposal and do hardware and software. At the week 10, we do online peer review 2. At the week 13, prepare for IDP roadshow and submit a video submission. At the week 5, IDP showcase day and IDP project evaluation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Abdullah and my matrix number is DE2080. and I will explain the functionality of our system.
Hi, and this is our first circuit, which will execute the fan, automatic feeder, and the opening mechanism to let the waste out from the cage. So this is the base cage where we modified it, and this is the blink interface for our circuit. We can see the humidity, temperature, the feeder function, fan function, and the opening and closing mechanism base door. So first I will execute the fan function. Here, the fan will turn on. So if I click the feeder will feed the hamster. We can set the timer for this automatic feeder. So for now, it is 8:24. We click save. I'm sorry. If we want to schedule it at 8:30, select 8:30 PM and save. At 8:30, the feeder will turn on. We can manually turn on here. So now I will explain the opening mechanism. If I hold this, the door will close. And if I push the bottom button, the door will open and the waste will come out. We cannot overpress it because it can damage our door. So this is our second circuit, which is ESP32 cam function, that will be function as a surveillance camera. It will stream directly into Blink, as we can see here, and monitor the hamster inside the cage.
Lastly, we go to recommendation and conclusion. Petal is one that has advanced, further including data, logging and troubleshooting capabilities, a smart monitoring system and a smart ventilation system. In future, it is intended to address the issue of power consumption of the pet house, thus increasing in lifetime. In addition, we also aim to add advanced foul detection scheme covering all the used components. Adding a water container on top of the feeder is another direction as well. So that's all from our group. Thank you.